Hey everybody, it is about 10:30, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I am a qualified solutions provider with Intuit, and I specialize in Intuit Field Service Management. QuickBooks is scheduling and dispatching software. And here's some of my information right up on the screen. If you want to get in touch with me after our time together, please feel free to reach out to me directly on my office line here or at our email, Rebecca@fieldserviceadvisors.com, and you can check us out on our website, fieldserviceadvisors.com. We have a free consultation on Intuit using a dispatching system with your QuickBooks. So today we're going to discuss working with a service agreement module. And I've had a lot of customers come to me with questions on, what if we have a specific checklist for a particular customer? How do we get the service agreement module to work with that? So we're going to go through that right now. So first, we're going to build a service agreement, and then we're going to build the checklist, and then we're going to build the service agreement. So I'm going to start with a residential, just one of my customers here, residential, and I'm going to say, I can see here that Daniel doesn't have any service agreements on file here, no service agreement. So we're going to go ahead and create one. I'm going to go to the settings and model your business and equipment types, and we're going to be working on the boiler unit. So I'm going to say set services. So first you want to create the equipment. Under equipment types, you want to say add new equipment type, and then you're going to add the equipment here. And then after it's added, it'll be available here to you in this list. And then you're going to go ahead and hit set services. And this is where you're going to create that checklist. So I'm going to go ahead and say add new service checklist. And I'm going to name this a specific checklist. So I'm going to go ahead and call it Daniel Smith. And if there's a specific site for Daniel, you could even reference that here, right in the checklist. And I'm going to say it's non-urgent. And I'm going to go ahead and say add. So let's just make sure that that is the correct site. Okay, so let's go ahead and okay. Oops. And then this is the site over here. Okay. Copy that, and we're going to go back to the boiler. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and add this specific checklist. So I'm going to say check belt, fan is okay. And now we're going to go ahead and add that service agreement now that we have the checklist created. This is a semi-annual checklist. Now that we've finished the checklist, we're going to be able to find it under unassigned at 7 days prior to the start date or under the dispatch board. All right. And that concludes creating that service agreement. If you have more questions and would like to know more about service agreements, please reach out to us here at our office line or on our website. Thanks for joining us for this short video.